Garlic is often planted in gardens almost automatically, without much thought, even though it plays a far more important role than many people realize. It is not only a key ingredient in countless dishes, valued for its strong and distinctive flavor, but it also contributes positively to the garden environment as a whole. Its natural properties can support nearby plants and help maintain balance in the soil. Growing garlic does not require advanced gardening skills or special conditions. It adapts well to different types of soil, tolerates changing weather, and rewards even minimal care with strong, healthy bulbs. Because of this resilience, gardeners sometimes overlook the fact that garlic is still vulnerable to certain problems. Pests such as onion flies, aphids, and various larvae can slow its growth and weaken the plant, which ultimately affects the harvest. The good news is that garlic can be strengthened and protected using natural methods, without relying on harsh chemicals. In this video, I share two simple, effective approaches that help garlic grow healthier and more resistant from the very beginning. The first method is used before planting. Start by preparing a solution with 1 liter of warm water, half a teaspoon of neem powder, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This natural mixture helps protect garlic cloves from fungal issues, soil-borne pests, and harmful microorganisms. Neem is well known for its protective properties, while baking soda creates an environment that discourages the development of plant diseases and improves overall plant resilience. Place the garlic cloves into the solution for about 10 minutes. After soaking, remove them and allow them to dry in a bright, well-ventilated area before planting. Do not discard the remaining liquid, as it can be reused for the next step. To the leftover solution, add 1 tablespoon of wood ash and another liter of water. This creates a mineral-rich mixture that nourishes the soil and supports healthy plant development. Use it to water the soil around the planted garlic, preferably in the evening or just before rainfall. This treatment can be applied up to 3 times during the growing season. Apply it once in spring, a second time about 2 weeks later, and a third time in summer when the bulbs begin to form. By doing so, garlic receives natural support during its most important growth stages, resulting in stronger plants and better yields. Be sure to watch our next video appearing on your screen. Thank you for watching and see you soon.